develops as a diverticulum on the mesonephric duct. After which the mesonephric duct, after forming the ureteric bud as diverticula on both the sides, that is called as Wolffian duct, from which the male genital organs will be developing. So this ureteric bud will give rise to the collecting portion. The collecting portion includes the renal papillae or the renal sinus, minor calyx, major calyx, renal pelvis, and the ureter till the urinary bladder as well as the urethra, proximal part of the urethra. So all this is lined by one type of epithelium which is exclusively restricted to the urinary system. It is called as the transitional epithelium, also called as urothelium. So how the cells are arranged in the urothelium? Assuming it has the basement membrane, here we have several cells. The bottommost cells will be in columnar shape. It will be like a simple columnar epithelium only. So all the nuclei will be at the more towards the base. And the above layers, as we go on above, the height of these columnar cells will be, they keep on reducing. Like ultimately, like that, 3 to 4 layers can be seen. And ultimately, at the 4th or 5th layer, the length of the cells keep on decreasing, and ultimately the cells on the topmost level will be like a subspherical shape. It will be like a hemispherical shape, and the nucleus will be like this. So this urothelium, so the main function of this urothelium is to promote stretch. So whenever the bladder or the ureter or the entire collecting duct, whenever urine is not there, they will be shrunken, during which the apical layer of the cells will be in the subspherical shape, and when the bladder gets distended or the ureter gets distended after the formation of the urine, then these things will be stretched. To allow that stretch, the urothelium is, the main function of urothelium is to promote stretching whenever the bladder or any of these organs get distended after filled with the urine. Whenever they get distended, the apical subspherical shaped cells, they will be again converted into the columnar cells whenever it is distended with the urine. But whenever urine is not there, the entire row of the cells will be recovering its normal position, the resting position. Whenever it gets distended, all these cells will again become, especially the subspherical cells, they will become columnar to increase the volume. So this is how about the urothelium. But till the proximal urethra, it will be developmentally, it's all same, so it is lined by the same type of epithelium, that is the urothelium.